Hello everyone. 2 years back Travis Cape brought me a Westinghouse condensing unit that needed an R12 compressor put in place of an SO2 one, and he brought me this cabinet to put it on and test run it. I didn't have any unit for it after he took his home, but I kept hanging on to the cabinet partially because of this feature that we hadn't seen on the door. Right now I've just got done adapting a GE Spacemaker compressor to a Westinghouse SO2 condensing unit, and it is charged with my replacement for sulfur dioxide that I found, R124. The compressor is an R12 compressor originally, but I went ahead and put the 124 in just to see what would happen. I've got a nice fully frosted evaporator. Right now I'm hoping it'll kick on. You can see that somebody evidently tailgated the left side of the cabinet, unfortunately. And back here I've got the air duct back on it. It sucks air up through the left side there and blows it back down out the right side where the power cord's hanging down. Take the top off here. I just finished mounting the start relay and everything yesterday. You can see that I've got a start capacitor, there's a start relay and a overload in here. I've got power coming out to go to the light. I've got to get some plugs to get the light hooked in. I didn't have an original Westinghouse temperature control, so I put this commercial temperature control on there. The original control box is this right here. It always had to be taken loose and pulled back to get the unit to lift out. I plan on putting a dummy knob on the front. I've still got the original Westinghouse 2-phase motor in it. I just barely managed to make that Spacemaker compressor fit in there, height-wise and everything. I should think it would soon kick on for us. There it goes. I don't know if you can hear that compressor at all or not over the fan on the camera. With the 124 and that R12 compressor, it is just as quiet as can be. Yeah, not quite all original, but definitely cooling again.